slime.
You waste them on the table.
Alright. I need a knife.
I need one too, bro. Appreciate you. You ain't gotta throw it. My eyes ain't good as they used to be. You know, I'm getting old, they say. Oh, Lord, you don't know what you doing. I'm gonna have to show y'all how to do this.
You don't even know how to make
I'll be
slime.
back in a few minutes
What?
when the slime is done.
I'm gonna show y'all how to do this. I'm ready.
Yeah, see if
I'm ready, teacher Brittany.
Don't waste shit.
Hey, teacher Brittany.
Let me see.
He wasted on his
Shut up.
short.
What you need, Mama?
You can get that to your daughter.
Why would he give it to his daughter?
Cause she might wanna play with slime. By the time she probably get over there,
It's gonna be hard.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Yes, I
hey, you used all my washing powder.
I'm
I'll
not
buy you
whipping it.
another.
It is
I'll buy
I'll
you
be back
another
when the finished
glue.
product is done.
Some mama.
We're back.
Javon.
not sure. Is it thick enough?
Thickening too much.
No, it's supposed to be like slime.
Oh.
Let me see.
Mom, look.
Let me see. Let me see. You doing it all right. Move. Let me see.
He did it wrong last time, but this time he gonna get it right. Y'all ain't playing up with no more of my shit.
Did I do it wrong again? Look, Mom.
It's good.
Let me see.
Need to make sure.
The slime is right here.
That's it?
Yeah. It's not gonna be blue, kind of blue like.
But I wanted to make a lie.
Well, you better
No.
stir it all up.
Get some off the edge.
That's what we do. We can do.
Yeah, I'm gonna help. Get it off the edge. Get it off the edge.
Let's go. So it's done, Ma?
Yeah, you gotta start.
I got a whole bunch of washing powder left.
Just give it to me.
Keep stirring.
Let me see. If it, just take your slime out. Let me have your washing powder.
No, really.
Let me have your washing
I
powder.
did it wrong.
Oh, you ain't getting no more.
Just
It's
let me
like a
have it.
bag.
Javon, just let me have it.
Hey, then shut the fuck up. You aggravate. Shit, you don't tell that like 10 times.
So how you get all the dish detergent off of it?
Rinse
Give
it
it
in.
again.
I
Huh?
don't really care. Rinse it into it. Oh. I don't give a damn because you the one on there talking about you messed it up.
I did.
Once you let it sit, the last time it got right.
Oh, you let it sit before you rinse it?
You don't rinse it. It's not coming together because we didn't use half a cup of water like the last
Oh, well,
time.
put some water in. Put some water in. Listen, Andy, put some water.
Put some water in here?
I ain't never make
Is this good?
Put some water in.
We used to have.
But I ain't
water,
even used all my
glue.
washing powder. You used all
didn't
your
use
washing
half
powder,
of
D?
Use all of it.
Let me see.
See, look.
Uh-oh, I don't put water in there.
That's what she said.
Yeah, because you're supposed to use half a cup of water
put some water in.
first, then glue. You made it right?
That's good.
Maybe I shouldn't have used the cup.
Did you try to cook?
Oh, sipping that. No, don't be trying to hate on. Don't be trying to scope out
I'll be
mine.
back.
Yeah.
Sorry, you guys, but the slime went really, really wrong. I'm so sorry for that, but next time we'll be back. Bye. I changed my channel logo and now it's Lil Pump, so make sure you look for that. Comment, like, subscribe, tell your auntie, your mama, your granddad, she living. Bye.